traders, the QEN is clearly bullish. So we've had these really nice moves. But I'm always looking for a swing low, swing high, retrace, buy, swing low, swing high, retrace, buy. So I'm just going to zero in on this area here and we'll get a close look at it, see what we can come up with in terms of a trade idea. I'm going to go down to 15-minute time frame, and you can see that this has been ranging sideways. There's two ways to get involved with this. I'm looking for a buy opportunity, and it's a simple process of, for me, just waiting for this range to break. But be careful, because we could see something like that going on. Okay, so if you're going to be buying, just understand that, see this low here, they could hit stops under here. Right, that's a possibility. And then the other thing that could happen with this would be we break above, and that's a potential entry. Now there's an easy way to trade this either way. All right, so it's either going to drop back down in here and break above the high. All right, so we're looking for this pull back, retest the high, entry, pull back, retest the high, and entry. So it could do that, or it could do that. Either way, that's your entry point on the retest and fail of the high of this range. And guys, there's another way you can get involved with this. If you see this green bar under here, then we take that signal, take it on the pullback, have a look at what the indicators are giving us here. So stop loss in the cloud, in here, slightly in the cloud, and this up here is a previous daily high. This is a yellow dotted line, and we're looking at a 5.3R outcome there. Take it back, and you want these opportunities when this is giving us the go ahead. This is a stop run, there's your signal, and you can see the outcome. Just depends how well you read that. If you missed that, you would have caught that. I've done a ton of videos on our strategy, and they're available. Jump on board with us, guys. TradingWithAnthony.com. Signals, chat group, tutorials, indicators. Sharpening Sushi train once a month, and I'm happy with that. So with that, I look forward to seeing you in VIP, and hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.